my Airbnb. Everybody's sleeping. I'm taking a walk. Mosinee, Wisconsin. Here's a person. Everything's so far away around here. What's this? Farm Tech Days. All right, checking it out, man. That's a big left, though, man. Across that bridge? Jesus. All right, looks good. I don't know where I'm going. No snowmobiles allowed on walking trail. I like that sign. That's really cool. Here we are, crossing the river. Ahlstrom. That's a major business. Crossing the bridge. Wow. That's a... Yeah. Cool, man. State of Wisconsin, 87, 88, built 2008. This is a newer bridge. Highway Commission. Ugh. Got a lot of current in that river. That's cool, man. Cool. Gas. Gas station. There you go, man. I think I'm hitting the downtown. Yeah, that's really cool. All right, I'm just gonna get something quick here. Garden. I like that sign. Looks cool. Okay. Wow. What's this? It's cool. It's a library. 1898. Library. That's a nice looking library. All right, what else is down here? Looks like a bar. Collectibles. Sell and trade. Yeah. Pokemon. Oh. No. Closed. Restaurant and lounge. I gotta mention it's Saturday morning. That's why there's no people. There's something over there. Paper City Lanes, a bowling alley. That's kind of neat. Paper City. Is that what they call this place? Because of that paper mill? Probably. There's a bar. Mosinee Café. Ooh. I gotta go there. Barber shop in the basement of a house. That's cool. The brewing company, little park benches and stuff. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I can check out this cafe. I just want something to drink. 2015, that's not that old. Oh, 6 o'clock. Okay. Some black tea, the kind I usually get, but I needed to get something from the Mosinee Café. Very nice people in there. It was very quiet. It's Saturday. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Now I'm going back to this way. All right, I'm gonna head back to over here. I was mission accomplished. Not yet, because I gotta check out that river walk. Cool. Black tea. I gotta, oh man, there's no, oh, there's what from. All right, let's check it out, man. Woo! All right. See what's going on down here. Holy Christ. All right, this is a, dog shit thing. Access here. Let's see it. Is that one? This is a park. Oh, this is a park by that company. Must bypass that gate. Extreme danger. Strong undertow. There's no ice, we don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I want to explore this thing. sure they don't want you walking all over it. The buoy. Cool, man. Extreme danger. They want to warn you about this. Alright, here's some fisher dudes. I'm not walking down there, but oh, could though. No. Just want to look at the other side of this thing. Other side of the dam. Cool. Alright. Barbed wire. Fencing. Alright, I just wanted to see what this was. It's a dam. Wow. Alright, I'm heading back to the Airbnb. It was kind of a long walk, but I had to check it out. Alright. Cool. Okay, back this way. right, here we are. We've got some signs to read. On our way back, we got Little Bull Island, access to Mosinee, flowage trail, waters, and spill channel. Okay. Ahlstrom Hydroelectric project. Oh. See, yeah. That's huge. Okay, it's a hydroelectric project, this huge building, and interesting. I'm not an expert at any hydroelectric stuff, but I like this where it says recreational on the lands are open to all. That's cool. All right, I'm heading back. All right. All right. Whew. All right. Here it is. Cool. All right. Big facility. Shit. All right. Try it again here. Now there's no sidewalk on this side. But I live across the busy street, so I gotta figure out how to get back to this Airbnb now. We're on the outside of, what is this? SC Swiderski LLC. Oh, that's okay. Here's the other side. All right, I'll figure it out.